Welcome to Aram Tutorials. We proudly present to you the history of the Internet, a journey from its humble beginnings to the expansive global network we know today. This video is designed for anyone curious about how the Internet came to be, its key milestones, and its profound impact on our world. The Internet, a seemingly ubiquitous part of modern life, has a fascinating history rooted in innovation, collaboration, and a vision for interconnectedness. It started as a humble idea, conceived to address specific challenges, and has since transformed almost every aspect of human endeavor. Our story begins in the late 1960s, amidst the Cold War. The U.S. Department of Defense's Advanced Research Projects Agency, or ARPA, initiated a project to create a resilient communication network. This led to the birth of ARPANET. ARPANET was designed to allow multiple computers to communicate over a single network, ensuring that even if parts of the network were disabled, information could still flow. This pioneering effort laid the groundwork for future advancements in data transmission and networking. While ARPANET was a crucial step, the Internet as we largely recognize it today began to take shape in the late 1980s and early 1990s with the advent of the World Wide Web. This development transformed a specialized scientific network into a global information highway accessible to everyone. A pivotal figure in this transformation was Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist working at CERN. In 1989, he proposed a system for information management that would allow scientists to share research more easily. This proposal evolved into the World Wide Web, powered by HTML. The development of web browsers made the Internet truly accessible. Mosaic, released in 1993, was one of the first graphical web browsers, making the Internet easier and more intuitive to navigate for the general public. This was a game changer, moving the Internet beyond academic and military circles. With increased accessibility came commercial interest. The mid-1990s saw a rapid rise in Internet companies, eager to leverage this new medium for business. E-commerce began to emerge, transforming how goods and services were bought and sold. This period, known as the dot-com boom, saw massive investment in Internet startups. However, many of these companies lacked sustainable business models, leading to the quote dot-com bust in the early 2000s. Despite the crash, the underlying technology and infrastructure continued to evolve. From the ashes of the dot-com bust, resilient and innovative online services emerged. Companies like Amazon revolutionized e-commerce, while others introduced online banking, news portals, and entertainment streaming, integrating the Internet deeply into daily life. The mid-2000s ushered in the era of social media, fundamentally changing how people interact and share information. Simultaneously, the rise of smartphones put the Internet into everyone's pocket, enabling constant connectivity and instant access to information. Today, the Internet's reach is truly global. It connects billions of people, transcending geographical boundaries, and enabling unprecedented levels of communication, collaboration, and commerce. This widespread connectivity has fostered a global village, transforming economies and cultures. The Internet's impact on society and culture is undeniable. It has democratized information, fueled social movements, and created entirely new industries. However, it also presents challenges, including issues of privacy, misinformation, and digital divides. So what does the future hold for the Internet? The journey is far from over. We are constantly seeing new innovations that promise to reshape our digital landscape even further. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, the Internet of Things, IoT, and Web3 are set to define the next chapter of the Internet. AI will make digital interactions more intelligent. IoT will connect our physical world, and Web3 aims for a more decentralized and user-owned Internet. As the Internet continues to evolve, we face ongoing challenges and opportunities. Ensuring equitable access, combating misinformation, and developing ethical AI are crucial. The Internet's future will be shaped by our collective choices and innovations.